Hey guys, there's my brother's bike. Try and squeeze in the shop. We gotta grab the gardening hoe, and then we're gonna make a blind. I'm gonna make a blind. I'll see you guys when I get down where I'm making the blind. Okay, we're going down the hill now. Got the gardening hoe. Don't know where I'm gonna make it. I'll tell you guys when I find the spot I'm gonna make it. So the reason I got the hoe is to level a spot out where we're gonna put this. I think over here by that tree. Right around in here would be good. Flatten the spot out right here. But let me set the camera up. Okay. Get this spot leveled off. Shovel would be better, but that's all I really got. I think right about around here would be good. I mean, we don't need it big, it's only going to be for like jackrabbits and birds and squirrels. So, see you guys when I get the flat part. All finished. You probably can't hear me, but it's a little warm over here somewhere. I just seen them like right in here. But, I mean, it's almost done. So we got this giant pile here. So hang on, let me show you what we're gonna use to build. What we're gonna scavenge. So we used to have this old bird blind right here. I got flew over the fence. But this is still our property until that barbed wire fence right there. But this tarp would be perfect to set over it. We could use this as like to go inside if you want to like shoot up or something. Go inside of this. I don't know, but I do know we're using that. But right now, I have to run all the way to the barn, grab some wood, and then come back. Oh, how tired I am from breaking all of this. Okay. Whew. Gotta grab the... Right now we're just gonna scratch it down. Get it a bit more leveled out. Whew. Need to break that down. Just to kind of get the roots out. Push that back. Okay, so we got the foundation down. That's gonna be it for this video. Whew. Oh, I'm tired from doing that. The foundation's all done, and I'll see you guys in the next one.